War has shaped civilizations, destroyed empires, and driven human innovation. From stone-tipped spears to AI-powered drones, the way we fight has evolved in ways our ancestors could never imagine.
The first wars were fought with sticks, stones, and spears. Tribes clashed over territory, food, and survival. Strength, speed, and numbers determined victory. Strategy was basic, but survival was everything. Metal changed everything. Bronze swords, iron armor, and chariots gave rise to organized armies. Leaders like Ramses II and Alexander the Great mastered the art of strategy, shaping early empires. In the Middle Ages, castles, knights, and longbows dominated war. Sieges could last months, and cavalry charges crushed infantry lines. Warfare was as much about endurance as brute force.
Gunpowder changed the game. Cannons could smash castle walls, muskets replaced bows, and wars became deadlier. Armies grew larger, and battles shifted from open fields to fortified cities. Factories mass-produced rifles, machine guns, and artillery. Railroads moved troops faster, and telegraphs sped up communication. War was now an industrial machine fueled by national power. WWE brought trench warfare, poison gas, and tanks. Millions died in static lines of mud and blood. Technology outpaced tactics, turning the battlefield into a deadly stalemate. DW II was faster, deadlier, and global. Blitzkrieg tactics, aircraft carriers, and atomic bombs reshaped war. Technology and speed now decided victory more than manpower alone. The Cold War saw proxy wars, nuclear threats, and advanced jet fighters. Satellites and computers entered warfare, while espionage became as important as battlefields. Drones, cyber attacks, and precision strikes define modern war. Battles are fought both online and on the ground. The goal is now minimal casualties with maximum impact. From sticks and stones to artificial intelligence, the revolution of war never stops. The next battlefield may not even exist on Earth, but in space or entirely in cyberspace.